Hello students, today our topic will be focused on hydraulic and pneumatic machines. All machines require a source of power in order to work. One of the ways of transmitting this power to the point of operation, that is the point at which the machine will do its work, is by fluid power. Fluid power is the method of using pressurized fluid to transmit energy from one point on the machine to another. Transmitted through the following systems: hydraulic and pneumatics. Now, hydraulic machines are machineries and tools that make use of liquid or fluid power to do simple work. In this type of machine, hydraulic fluid is transmitted to the various hydraulic motors and cylinders in the machine, where it becomes pressurized according to the resistance present. The fluid is also controlled directly automatically by control valves and distributed through hoses and tubes. While the pneumatic device is a machine that makes use of air pressure to produce mechanical motion, or it's also known as a machine that uses compressed air to function. They are commonly used in industries, hospitals, and many other areas of application. The hydraulic system operates at higher pressure and produces greater force than the pneumatic system. They can therefore move larger load. The principle of hydraulic and pneumatic system is based on Pascal's law, which states that when pressure is applied on the surface of a liquid in an enclosed system, it is transmitted equally throughout the system. Examples of hydraulic machine have 1. Garden sprinkler, 2. Water wheel, 3. You have the force pump, 4. You have the hydraulic jack, and the 5th one is the centrifugal pump. Examples of pneumatic machine: you have the vacuum cleaner, you have the air compressor, you have the pneumatic drill, and we have the pneumatic brakes. Components of hydraulic machine: 1. You have the fluid, which is the major source of power in the machine. You have the tubes and hoses, which carries the fluid to where it can work. The piston and valves, the ones that have to control the fluid. We have the hydraulic motors, we have the hydraulic pump, we also have the hydraulic fuels, we have the reservoir, the actuators, the accumulators, the filters, we have the seal, fittings, and connection. Now let's see the components of pneumatic machines. We have pneumatic actuator, which helps the pneumatic device or fluid energy to mechanical energy to do useful work. We have the compressor, which is used to compress the air taken from the atmosphere. You have the power supply motor used to drive the compressor. You have the valve as well, which is used to direct the flow of the compressed air. We have the storage reservoir where the air is being stored. We have the cooler, separator, and dryer. They are all known as the components of pneumatic machines. Now let's see the operation and uses of hydraulic and pneumatic machine. The hydraulic machine uses pressure to transmit power. The fluid in the hydraulic device is powered by the electric motor and cylinder through tubes and hoses, where they are controlled proportionately with the aid of valves and piston to produce work such as crushing or packing of garbage, lifting a car, moving a bulldozer blade, etc. Now, use of hydraulic machine: 1. They are designed to move very large and heavy objects through force by levers, gears, and pulleys. It is used for modern construction of projects because it saves time and quick in operation. Thirdly, hydraulic systems are useful in car braking system and power steering of a car. The fourth one says it is used to enhance work at high altitude to effect work that could not be done ordinarily. Now, operations of pneumatic machine. Air is collected from the atmosphere, is taken through an air filter, and air compressor raises it to a required pressure. The temperature increases as the pressure increases, and is passed through an air cooler with air treatment to remove moisture. This treated pressurized air is stored to maintain the pressure. A pressure switch is fixed to the storage reservoir to start or to stop the electric motor when the pressure falls and reaches the required level, respectively. Uses: it is used in the cooling and heating of buildings by using its components such as pneumatic thermostat, damper motors, etc. It is used in pumping car tires and others. Pipe organ uses pneumatic system to make sound. Pneumatic drill or jackhammer is used for demolition in construction work. Pneumatic have many other applications. For example, they are used in measurement of blood pressure. Now the assignment says define hydraulic and pneumatic machine and state two examples. 2. Briefly explain the operation of hydraulic and pneumatic machine. And thirdly, state two uses each of hydraulic and pneumatic machine.